Howdy, folks. Happy Wednesday, February 3rd, episode 26 of the Crypto World News Daily Show. My name is Elliot. I will be your host here today. And if this is your first time sticking with us, being with us, welcome. This is Crypto World News Daily Show. We do this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on Twitch. If you want to catch my next show live, then tune in Monday, Wednesday, or Friday at 12 p.m. And if you miss my show or you're working and whatever, I understand. It takes me about an hour after the show, and I have them uploaded to YouTube, so you can watch the replay as well. We go over Bitcoin, blockchain, mass adoption, news, altcoin, take suggestions from you. We have a live trade, a DeFi of the day, go over coin market caps, and yeah, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, then stick around for the show today. I appreciate all the support, everyone here in chat. We've got some interesting stuff to go over today. We're going to do a little bit of fundamental analysis on Doge, as mentioned on Monday. Is there any truth to the meme? First and foremost, though, I'm going to take a brief look at chat. What's up, Josh? Thank you very much for being with us here today. This is your first time catching me live. Welcome. All right. BTC analysis on the daily. We were looking at this BTC yesterday, thinking that this daily was looking pretty nice. This daily, these daily candles were looking pretty nice. We were about $33,000 on Monday. I apologize, not yesterday. So yeah, I fully, this is bullish continuation here. Where we're at right now, I think is very, I could definitely see this play out as another test to the 40K, and then potentially getting, if we get rejected or move up from there. I mean, this does look pretty bullish, but I do want to talk about what that means for altcoins and other coins as well. My analysis, which is maybe Bitcoin's not ready to break up on 42K just yet. So I think that there could be potentially this second FOMO hype, and then we get another long squeeze, a nice little long squeezy out. So I'm actually not in a BTC position right now. If you were watching the stream last night, I think I had a little short and closed it with a negative, or about a $20 loss. So I do have my trades still open. We're going to go over that. All of my trades are transparent and open. So if you have not, if this is your first time here, then welcome, and I'd love to show you what I do. So we're going to go over some BTC or some cryptocurrency news articles first. So Jeff Bezos steps down as the CEO of Amazon, and Andy Jassy to become the new Amazon CEO. Who is Andy Jassy? Well, he was Amazon's he oversaw Amazon's crypto product offerings. Is who Andy Jassy is. Going to be replacing Jeff Bezos as Amazon CEO. I think if Andy Jassy could incorporate blockchain technology as far as efficiency for a company, for Amazon, that's fantastic news for stockholders for Amazon. And not only that, I believe if he can integrate somehow, they already have basically they have a credit card, but if they could further extend their payment, advanced payment system, I fully believe that there is an unlimited amount of money. I mean, Jeff Bezos did a fantastic job of making a very, very profitable company. But I think Andy Jassy could potentially take this to the next level with some, just some next level tech. I want to briefly talk about, I was watching the news yesterday and people talking about GameStop, and I'm listening to the news and they're like, GameStop is a failing company. And I'm like, are you, how stupid are you? Like, do you honestly believe that? Okay, so you believe that every single Xbox and every single PlayStation that has ever launched a video game and their consoles have launched out of GameStop, and you're telling that's a failing company? Okay, well, maybe you're lacking perspective because you're thinking that this GameStop is like Blockbuster, but it's not. Those aren't the same. GameStop has the potential to tap into NFTs and game credit. And I mean, GameStop has a huge potential. So I am, people say, obviously it's worth, it went from 20 to 500. I'm not saying it's worth $500. I'm just saying that when I hear companies saying that they bought a failing GameStop as some failing company, they definitely need improvements, and they could use someone like me with a fresh mind, or Andy Jassy's got a fresh mind. So that's good for cryptocurrency, blockchain, Amazon holders, and overall mass adoption. So I like that. Jeff Bezos, you made enough money. Step on down. Going into our next article, I forgot to mention BTC trading at $37,141. Crypto asset manager 21 shares is launching an exchange, an ETP, exchange traded product, or ETF, no, traded fund, traded product for Polkadot's token. More bullish news for DOT. Currently, DOT is trading up 11% on the daily. It's really, really difficult to time when to enter coins like this. Just very, very strong fundamental coins, strong use case, heavy buy volume. So always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. Not financial advice. I am not financial advisor. All right, so this is, so DOT is going to be traded, crypto asset manager launching a exchange traded product for Polkadot token. Okay, more DOT. I'll buy more dots. All right, let's hop skibbity bob on over to our third article of the day. Thank you for being here with us on the Crypto World News semi-daily podcast. Second largest stablecoin USDC transaction on to the Stellar blockchain. Okay, so the Stellar developed foundation that the USDC is live on the Stellar network. So USDC can be traded with 6 stablecoins, Stellar's ecosystem. We had a Circle Pay. Okay, so what does this mean? This just means faster, cheaper transactions, taking a little, possibly taking away some, not a whole bunch of steam, but right now Ethereum is like the gas on top of the DeFi fire. And it's not always going to be, once the fire reaches critical mass, you don't need gas anymore, and it'll just start engulfing everything else. But, Ethereum is literally like how most of these platforms transact. But, in the future, XLM, Cardano, there will be other coins that are more, I believe, more transactable and maybe have more of a use case in the future. So that's going to be it for our 3 news articles of the day. We went over USDC transaction on the second largest USDC stablecoin transaction to the Stellar blockchain. We also went over crypto asset manager launching Polkadot token, an exchange traded product for Polkadot token. And lastly, we went over, what was the last thing we went over? Second largest stable coin and 21 shares. Oh, yeah, Jeff. Mr. Bezos is stepping down from Amazon, and Andy Jassy is going to be his new replacement as the CEO of Amazon, and he is knowledgeable about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So that's great. Those are our bing, bang, boom. Oh, I forgot to do my thing. I had something here. And this is our first news article. Got it for tomorrow. My bad. And our second news article. And then we went over our third news article. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. Can't win them all, folks. Let's do some Dogecoin fundamental analysis. So, is Doge a meme? My friend's dad bought $5,000 of Dogecoin because someone in his restaurant told him it was going to $1. And tomorrow, I said, "Look, it's a joke. Like, it could come. I'm not saying it doesn't have potential to come true, but you're betting on nothing. You're betting on a joke. So let's see if we can bet on something a little bit smarter than just what do you call it? Mob rule. Okay, so let's look into some fundamental analysis for Dogecoin. So Doge was initially founded as a meme coin with no use case, yada, yada, yada. But now we are finding out that all you need in the DeFi world is a strong community. If you have a strong community and investors willing to stake or lock assets, anything can be created of value. So Dogecoin USDO is a decentralized stablecoin backed by a verifiable collateral protocol of both on-chain and off-chain real-world assets. Built with the UMA protocol, we connect DeFi to the real world in a seamless manner. If you have something of value, whether it's crypto, stocks, and eventually real estate, you can mint USDO too. So essentially it's a collateral. They're lending collateral. And Dogecoin, this gives Dogecoin a purpose. So not to say that there are roadmaps, liquidity on-chain crypto assets, liquidity off-chain assets. This is huge. Q4, large illiquid off-chain assets. OpenDAO.io is where we are at today. There's fundamental analysis. I don't know who any of these guys are. Little team. Some investors. Let's see if we can go to like maybe some docs. White paper. Any questions? Bueller. Hello. Never understood the power of meme culture. I believe the power of meme culture is just like the power of meme culture. I don't know. It's almost toxic. I'm almost meme. I don't want to. I'm slow when it comes to memes. I don't get it. Like, oh, you got to explain it to me. It doesn't make sense. So, rug pulls, white paper V2. I don't want to. Yada yada yada. Anyways, breaking our Doge backed stablecoin to be announced. So does this give Doge a use case? Does this give Doge purpose? Maybe, potentially. In the future. They're launching a stablecoin off of the Doge platform, the Doge protocol. I'll tell you what, Doge transacts extremely fast. Have you ever sent a Doge transaction? It's like instant. You send it out of your wallet, it's like, whew, you've got Doge. So stablecoin use, I could definitely see that's being lucrative. So you can mint Y dollars using Ether BTC. Supply liquidity. Who uses Balancer? Oh gosh, this is so outdated. Well, maybe this isn't the platform to use Doge. Doge Usecase DeFi. Maybe this isn't the platform that is going to bring Doge to $1. And maybe Doge will never be at $1. I don't believe it deserves to be at $1 right now. I don't believe it deserves to be where it's at right now. But I'm still longing it because of the meme. With okay, here we go. With Doge patching its way to DeFi, should we also expect Elon Musk sometime soon? This is actually an interesting correlation. I'm interested to hear or to see what Elon's play is in the cryptocurrency blockchain world. He's been talking about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, but what does this mean for Tesla? What does this mean? Is Elon going to be launching a coin? He seems to be supporting the decentralization cryptocurrency space. Wrapped Doge. So out of a meme comes use case, okay? You take a coin that doesn't have purpose, and we can now give it purpose because it's a meme. So that's going to be the end of, wow, Wall Street Bets is up. Is this a total scam? This looks like a total scam. Anyways, that's going to be it for our news articles. Gaze every 12 East, understood. First time here listening, voice always, saw the grass but never the man. Thank you. Now you see me. Now you see me, now you don't. Okay, so we already went over our news articles. We already went over our DeFi project of the day. Lastly, we are going to be looking at our live trade and taking suggestions from you, the audience. If there are any coins you'd like for me to chart, now is the time to drop them in the chat. See what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin on the 4 hour, looking pretty fantastic for a bull move up. We got this 4 hour daily candle, or not daily, 4 hour candle close resistance right here. We pop up on this 7230, and there's nothing. There's a little 38, but I think we look pretty juicy for a 39 to 40K retest. I would not be surprised if we saw heavy rejection. Maybe this is my fault, because there was a similar scenario when we were at like 9 or 10K, and I was like, oh, there's no way we're going to go back to 6. So, you know, my analysis is not perfect. I'm wrong. I'll be the first. Let me be the first to tell you, I don't win all of my trades. I don't lose 9 out of 10. I win over half of them, but which is, I guess, is pretty decent for. But yeah, so my analysis is not perfect, always subject to change. If you want to check out what I'm doing and you're watching this video on replay, then just go to twitch.tv/crypto world news, and you can see the live chart. I think we're meme trading Doge. We've got a couple other coins here. So yeah, I mean, BTC, this just looks, for me, it's almost like something that's a little too good to be true. Is just what it looks like for me. And I want to talk about my Doge analysis as well, because there's a reason I've had people come to my stream and they're like, hey, why are you charting Doge? You know, this is a meme. This is yada, yada, yada. So what I'm looking at here is I really do like this daily volume, and I haven't seen any significant selling volume that tells me that people are selling, that people are getting rid of their Doge. So until I see something otherwise, I'm going to be sitting nice and pretty in my perpetual long position with a $0 liquidation price. So however long you want to take Doge, I can wait. I am patient for you. It's supposed to happen tomorrow, go to $1. Really, really, I don't want that to happen. If Doge went to $1 tomorrow, I think I would be a millionaire. And I don't know if that would be, I don't deserve that. Not yet. Not yet. Okay. Yeah, like 2,000%. I mean, this monthly, look at this monthly. Why does this monthly buy volume tell you this coin's going to 0? Why does that tell you it's going to 0? Wouldn't you want to see respective another month of higher sell volume? Then we might go to 0. Okay. So I'm going to keep my Doge BTC. Let's go over into, well, let's see if there's any coins you guys want me to chart. Do you think Doge will pump? Grazi, I was wondering whether it's too late to get into Ethereum. I'm a complete noob. Is it too late to get into Ethereum? No, dude. It's not too late to get into Ethereum. So if Bitcoin, thank you for bringing this up. I actually want to show you this. Crypto, I think it's called Crypto Bubbles. Let me see, Crypto Bubbles. So I want to explain to you why, yeah, okay. Let me explain to you why cryptocurrency, we're finished with the tutorial. Let me explain to you why things happen in the crypto space as they do. Okay, so currently in the cryptocurrency space, there is over $1 trillion in this field. Let me pull up I want like a whiteboard for drawing online. Start drawing. Okay, so we think about. Oh God, that's terrible. Isn't there a color? Okay, there we go. Perfect. All right, we think about all of the money in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, $1 trillion. All right, $1 trillion. Okay, and out of that money in the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin dominates or owns 61% of that. So there's our half. Let's just say right there. So 61% of our $1 trillion of our money flow, this is a interesting way, is in Bitcoin, okay? Now, what happens when that changes? Well, when money is flowing out of Bitcoin and still in the cryptocurrency space, we can see the money is flowing into altcoins. So as money flows into these altcoins, we can see these huge gains, these huge rises, respectively, as they suck up the market cap, as they suck up the money that's flowing in the cryptocurrency market. So I like to use this, and if you want to check this out, you can look up cryptobubbles.net. I like to use this because it shows you live where the money is flowing, where the money is going. And so we can see right now there's a lot of money flowing into 1inch, FTM, Doge, Fun, Sushi, VGX, never even heard of that, Luna, OMG. So GRT, I mean, this is a good way to, I guess, track altcoins or track money flow, because where the money goes, where the money flows, the money grows. Okay, so let's take a look at our live trade now, unless there are some questions. Can you take a look at ETH as a suggestion? Yes, let's take a look at ETH as a suggestion. Okay, we're gonna look at ETH to BTC because I believe that's where the valuable chart will come from. People are like, why is ETH? If Bitcoin corrects, what's going to go on with ETH? I don't get it. I'm confuzzled. Elliot, help me. I should have been here last week. Everyone makes money, but not me. Okay, so what's going on with Ethereum? Well, Ethereum to the Bitcoin chart looks pretty fantastic, as we can see. We're looking at a monthly chart, Ethereum to Bitcoin. Each candle represents a unit of a month of time. And Ethereum has effectively broken up, and I mean there are other levels here, but I think that Ethereum probably has more room up to go. I'd say maybe another 30% gain to the Bitcoin before we see any sort of major consolidation accumulation. So if you're looking for a premium primed and the most premier of entry right now is the time. And if you wait till after my show or tomorrow, then you're probably, you're only going to be as good as your entry. So if we're waiting for a great entry and we were down here at 0.02 Bitcoin, your entry now is double that. You're able to buy half as many Ethereum as you were not a month ago. Your buying power. So the more time you wait, I believe this chart, ETH to BTC, could gain some. I think it's going to run here. We'll probably see. There's a lot of ETH longs. 0.05 seems like an easy target, an easy smack target. 0.05 ETH or BTC. But I'm long term looking at ETH for I think 2 to 3K ETH is definitely doable, possible, and believable. believable targets. So if you're not looking at the ETH to BTC chart, I don't know what you're doing. It's really hard. I mean, we're looking at a 4-hour chart here. What the hell are you looking at? I mean, yeah, we're breaking up. Okay. Okay, we're on a 4-hour. We had a candle close. This is a nice wick. We came back. We got bought up. We made a higher low. Candle wick 4-hour bodies right here, 0.043. Okay, so we're currently higher than our candle body is higher than we've been in quite a while. ETH to BTC. Quite some time. So closing a 4-hour candle at or above 0.043 is bullish continuation, baby. We can look at a daily chart. We're already up on, we're already just kind of broken out on that daily. Let's back up just a little bit. Week. Okay, there's a level right there. 0.05. Yeah. How you can find these levels, these candle bodies, candle body, candle wick. That just means that the price came down here, but the candle closed this unit of time, and it came down, but it didn't close. Red just means it opened and it went down and closed. Green just means it opened here and it went up and closed. Okay. So ETH to BTC chart looks fantastic. 0.05 looks like an easy target. I think the real target is going to be a little bit higher than that, probably closer to 0.06, 0.058. Take that as you will. Let's take a look at a few things really quick. I want to talk to you guys. I'm in a GameStop long from 128, one share. I've got one share long, sticking it to the man. Courtesy of Marky Mark, Mr. Cubes himself, said to. So I've got one for you, Mark. And I've got an idea. So if you're watching, you should hire me. And or you could hire me. I'd love to work for you. But Mr. Cubes is probably not watching. He probably doesn't like to be called Mr. Cubes either. Okay, so Bitcoin 37,000. Yeah, we're gonna need to maintain that 37.15 4-hour. This just opened. No, this did not. Okay, so yeah, crypto bubbles is pretty cool, and we were talking about the market cap. So why is Ethereum and why are altcoins going to be so profitable in 2021? Well, our market cap is growing, and it's only going to continue to grow. I suspect that we may possibly never come back from $1 trillion. We may never be under $1 trillion market cap ever again in the cryptocurrency space. So as Bitcoin gains and loses dominance, the flow of money is going to be, money is going to be expanding and contracting from these altcoins. And this bubble demonstration, cryptobubbles.net, is an excellent way to grasp, to visually see the expand and contraction of the money flow. So let's take a look at our live trades, unless there's anything else that you guys. I'm long-term, 4 months, 2K, I reckon. Never said money like this, honest work, sad face. Thank you, I'm a believer. Okay. You don't need to be a believer, you just need to be a holder. The concept of fear of missing out. You can't fear that you missed out if you're already in, okay? So just get in and don't plan to get out, or else you might be afraid that you're going to miss out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're in a, I'm going to go over my positions because I don't think I've made it extremely clear. We're in a band perpetual long, 121 band, notional size 1.4K, estimated lick price 4.7, mark price currently right now $12, P&L $368. Average open price just under 9 smackarooskies per band. Next, we're going to our Doge long perp, 25,000 Doge long, notional size $822. Mark price is, total order P&L negative $166. Estimated lick price 0. Average open 0.038, just under 4 cents. Dot perp long, 52 dots. Average notional size 1K. Estimated lick price $2.66. Current mark price $19. P&L $171. ETH perp long, got 1 ETH long. Notional value $1,600. Estimated lick price $754. Mark price currently $1,627 with a total P&L of $305. GRT long, gosh, this is going to be so juicy when this GRT pops. We got 2.3K GRT, which is 1.8K and GRT long perp mark price 77 cents. Estimated lick price 40 cents. Average open position 81 cents. P&L negative 88. PAX G, we are long in gold. We got 2.3 ounces of gold. Notional size 4.2K. Estimated lick price $14,056 an ounce for gold. Mark price right now $18.43 and negative $39 on that. So we are up on our overall trade. We've pretty much doubled this account. We started with about $600 here, which was a 4x from our initial deposit. So I think we're doing pretty good on our trades. If you have any questions for me, or you would like to learn how to do what I'm doing, or anything like that, I value your time and your success. And if you are willing to educate yourself, then I will go the extra mile to help you, because I don't want to get into it's a little whatever. Okay, I value success on a personal, on a micro and a macro level. I want to be successful in myself, and I want to be successful with those around me. So I care about you guys, and I want you guys to succeed. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's show. Bitcoin on the daily. I think I would just be cautious. Be cautious, okay? You want to see like a daily close above 40K, okay? Not just some wickage. You want a daily close above 40K and then long the shit out of Bitcoin, okay? But until then, folks, we're going to look for lower levels and look for some BTC longs down here, down here, down here, down here. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Let's see if there's anything else in chat. Mad Doggers, Josh, Crypto Dizzy, all of you guys, I appreciate all of the support, all of the love. And if you have any comments, questions, or anything like that, I'd be happy to help you out. You can just drop it in Twitch, and I'll get to it. It's up 24/7. Or respond to a YouTube video. I'll respond to that. Or just join the Discord, and you can communicate to me and the rest of the community. So it's not just about me. I think I've made that clear today. If I haven't, let me be clear. So yeah, that's it for my show today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. It's 34 minutes. Oh, we're actually over on time today. We went a little bit longer than usual, but it's okay. I enjoyed today's show. It felt easy for me. So hope you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe. I'll talk to you guys on Friday. No one commented on the video, so I've got, you guys see it. Look at this beef. I've got this delicious beef jerky that I'm just going to send to some of my army buddies because no one wants it. So anyways, maybe next week we can get another beef jerky winner if that's something that you want. Just let me know. Let me know what you want. All right, guys, thank you very much for being here. Hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and do something nice for someone today. All right? Thank you. I don't have an outro, do I? Oh, there we go.